I'm on a quest to find every animal in the UK. I made a good start last week with a couple of lizards, some birds and a rabbit, and now I'm on 12 out of 742. Now let's continue the search on episode 2. I'm out in Bushy Park today looking for woodpeckers, so we're after the green woodpecker and the great spotted. The lesser spotted is very rare, so that would be its own episode by itself one day, because the chances of seeing that today are very slim. But you have loads of the other two here, so we should be batting them away and have too much footage of anything. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm sure you'll learn a little something. Maybe I will too. Let's go see them. So, big news in Creature Chronicles already. What? In episode 2? Big news? Yes. What do we have here? Oh. 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 The upgrade. That's right. 200 to 500 of your finest millimetres. Nikon, no less. Vibration reduction. Mate, if you're within 10 square miles, you're on my channel, whether you like it or not. You're being featured. So, better footage coming your way. So over here behind us, we have what's called the Oval Plantation in Bushy Park. Seen loads of woodpeckers in there before. So as we're coming up, you can hear all the different bird song. Those small little cheapy ones, can't think of a better word. They're blue tits all up foraging in this oak tree. And you can hear some jackdaws over here as well with the more sort of cackly kind of sound. So we've got some sort of bird of prey or a woodpecker over here. Oh no, it's a flash. Still, that's cool.
Still cool.
So over here we have a jay, part of the crow family.
Talk to me, talk to me.
So we've got a green woodpecker just flown past. One super easy way to spot a woodpecker when it's flying, it has a bouncing flight pattern. So he does a few flaps of his wings, like three or four, and then he tucks them into the side of his body and will like pull down a bit. So he kind of looks like he's bouncing as he goes along. And that's very typical for woodpeckers. Hopefully he'll do his call in a minute, because that's how we knew he was over here. Try and get some better shots.
Is that the other side? Go on.
As we were approaching a new area, I heard what I thought was a green woodpecker call, so I scurried off to investigate.
I see him. Ah, he's gone. There he is. Nice. Who's in here then?
So you see that hole up there?
Yeah.
I've just seen a parakeet go in there.
There's a nest.
So check back here in a minute and see if we can get him poking his little face out. And then we spotted another green woodpecker grazing in the grass.
Where is he?
Where'd he go?
In that tree. Oh. Put a hole. Where's he gone?
Do your song. Where's he gone?
I don't know. I thought it was in that tree, but he's slowly gone somewhere else.
He's got a hole.
Unless he's got a hole. Oh, is that a kestrel? Kestrel in the tree.
So we've just seen a kestrel come and land in this tree, and I think he might be a juvenile. Not 100% sure, but I was watching some the other day where I know there's a nest, so I'll show you that footage. Maybe it is. Are you just a young boy? So this is a long-tailed tit. And this is actually a decent bit of footage. They never sit in one place for long. So this is good. Oh yes. And just when we were about to call it a day because of a bit of rain, I saw a flash of black and red.
Yeah, up there.
So right at the end, we found the other crafty little rascal. There he is. Look at him. Wonderful. And now compiling all of the footage that I've got over recent weeks, I'll bring you everyone's favourite segment of the show. Tick, 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 tick. What's the time? It's time to learn. The great spotted woodpecker is a beautiful bird, around 23 centimetres in length with a 34 to 39 centimetre wingspan. They're also absolute savages and eat other birds' eggs and chicks. They will even slowly but surely whack their face through holes in bird boxes designed for smaller birds until they squeeze in and feast. They also whack their faces into trees to look for insects, to make nests, to mark their territory with the noise, and also when putting on their own drum and bass nights. They have a special shock-absorbing skull to protect them from all this facial destruction that humans have studied for research into helmets. The green woodpecker is our largest woodpecker, at 30 to 36 centimetres in length with a wingspan of 45 to 51 centimetres. And a 10 centimetre long tongue that's so long it wraps around their skulls just to fit in their heads. Now, this was definitely new information for me that I only just learnt while researching this video, but yeah, it's a third of their body length, so that would be like me having a 64 centimetre long tongue. No thank you. The good news is though, they have a fair enough reason for it. With a weaker beak and skull than their pals the GSWs, they mainly go after ants. They're more like feathered anteaters than woodpeckers to be honest, as they don't actually do much woodpecking at all, apart from to make nests in soft or dead wood. So we're just on the way back to the car because it's kind of raining the stuff now and my baby. We're just on the way back at the last moment we just saw a great spotted woodpecker fly up into that tree. And I've got a little bit of footage of it. But hey, we came out, 2 woodpeckers, we found 2 woodpeckers. Result. So some more good progress there. We're now on 22 out of 742 creatures, so feel free to subscribe if you want to see me find the other 720. And I'll put up a link to my first video explaining the series a bit more. See you in the next episode.